I'll ask you some questions and you have to answer those questions. First, try to understand the question. तुमसे मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, आराम से समझना और जवाब देना, ठीक है? 2 मिनट का टाइम मिलेगा एक जने को. क्लियर? ओके. सो कम ऑन रौनक.
Yes, sir.
डू यू ईट ब्रेकफास्ट?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
ओके. व्हेन डू यू ईट योर ब्रेकफास्ट?
I eat at 8 a.m.
वेयर डू यू ईट योर ब्रेकफास्ट?
in house.
गुड. विद whom do you eat your breakfast?
With my sister, my mother, and my father.
Do you eat food?
Yes, I eat food.
When do you eat your food?
I eat food at 8 a.m.
Where do you eat your food?
I eat food in my house.
Okay, अब आप पूछो. 1 मिनट का टाइम है आपके पास, मेरे से पूछो.
Do you know me?
Yes.
How do you know me?
Because of your sisters, Khushi and Kiran. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. बोलो आराम से.
Do you like food?
Yes, I like food.
When do you eat food?
About 11 o'clock. ओके, टाइम इज ओवर. कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा है, बस करते रहो. 1 मिनट मैं पूछूंगा और फिर 1 मिनट आप पूछोगे. ओके? यस. ऋत्विक,
Yes, sir.
do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by van.
When do you go to school?
I go to the school at 8:30 a.m.
Okay. Do you go to school alone?
Yes, I go to the school alone.
When do you come back from the school?
I come back from the school at 4 p.m.
Do you get any homework?
What, sir?
Do you get any homework from school?
Yes, I get homework from the school.
Do you complete your homework?
Yes, I complete my homework.
Okay. Do you ride bicycle?
Yes, I ride bicycle.
When do you ride bicycle?
I ride bicycle after eating my lunch at 6 p.m.
Okay. 6 p.m. Lunch होता है क्या?
Yes. मतलब सर लंच के बाद.
Okay. Now you ask me.
What is your favorite student in the class?
All students are my favorite. This is
What,
not
sir?
easy to answer such types of questions. Come on, next question.
What? Uh, where do you go to do your breakfast in the morning?
Sorry?
Where do you do your breakfast?
At my home.
What do you eat in the breakfast?
A cup of tea with a toast.
What is the time of your last class?
7 to 8. Okay, time is over. Good. Nice performance. Keep it up. सब लोग सुना करो ध्यान से, जो भी हो रहा है क्लास में उसको सब ध्यान से सुना करो आप लोग, ठीक है ना? पिंकी,
Yes, sir.
वेयर डू यू लिव?
I live in Khatpura.
ए मत बोला करो, ए खाती पूरा ठीक
Sorry.
कर लो इन चीजों को बेटा. व्हाट डू यू डू?
I do stitch.
आई डू स्टिचिंग. आई रन अ बुटीक.
I run a boutique
हाँ, वेयर इज योर बुटीक?
in a Malvi Nagar.
फिर ए मालवी नगर.
Sorry, in Malvi Nagar.
व्हेन डू यू ईट योर लंच?
Lunch at 9 a.m.
व्हेन डू यू टेक योर डिनर?
Sorry,
व्हेन डू यू टेक योर डिनर?
at 10 p.m.
ओके. डू यू हैव एनी व्हीकल?
Yes.
विच?
Sorry,
विच?
Activa.
Okay. Now you ask.
What are you doing these days?
I am teaching.
What is your dream?
My dream,
Yes.
have freedom, live without any restriction.
What is your
Yes,
what is your favorite food in a breakfast?
a cup of tea without toast.
And what is your favorite food? Sorry, what is your favorite fast food in a?
I don't like fast food.
Okay. And what is your favorite place?
Place, Himachal Pradesh. Hurry up, hurry up.
And what is your village name?
Sorry?
What is your village name?
Bharatpur. In Bharatpur, I have my village in Bharatpur district. Okay, time is over. Yes, now. Aryan, do you watch television?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I watch.
What do you watch on television?
The cartoon.
On which channel?
Sound Hangama.
Okay. Do you watch news?
Yes, sir.
On which channel?
Sir, Aaj Tak.
Good. When do you watch news?
Sir, at night.
At night. What does your mother do?
So my mother do housewife.
My mother does household work. Does household work. Do you help your mother?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Does your mother watch TV?
Yes, sir.
What does she watch?
Sir, like Kom Kom Bhagya.
Okay. Now you. It is your turn to ask me.
Sir, where do you live?
I live in Jaipur.
Sir, what is your favorite food?
Simple food. I'm not too much fond of eating food. Yes. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, पूछो आराम से. हाँ.
Sir, which subject is your favorite?
History.
Sir, since when you teach English?
From since 1993.
So what is your favorite hobby?
Hobby?
Yes, sir.
Watching movies.
Sir, which movie do you like most?
Action movies. Time is over. Nice, very nice. Keep it up. Yes. And now it is turn off. Kajal.
Yes, sir.
Where do you live, Kajal?
I live in Jaipur.
Where in Jaipur?
Durgapura.
In Durgapura. In which class
In
do you
Durga.
study?
I study 12th class.
In 12th class. In which school?
Government school.
Where do you go to study?
Sorry sir, मुझे समझ में नहीं
कहाँ जाते हो तुम पढ़ने के लिए?
आया। School.
Okay. What does your mother do?
My mother do make food.
तो डू क्यों लगा रहे हो? माय मदर मेक्स फूड. नाउ यू आस्क मी.
What is your favorite place?
प्लेस हिमाचल प्रदेश.
In which class do you read?
I don't read, I teach. Hmm.
Um, in which newspaper do you read?
I read दैनिक भास्कर. Hmm.
When do you read newspaper?
In the morning. Okay, time is over. ठीक है, कोशिश करो बस ऐसे ही. आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
what do you do?
I study.
शाबाश. In which class do you study?
In which class? 7.
In which क्यों बोल रहे हो? In 7th class बोलो ना. In which तो क्वेश्चन में बोला जाएगा. In which school do you study?
कुछ समझ नहीं आया.
In which school do you study? In which school? कौन से स्कूल में?
The government.
In government school. Where? What does your father do?
The paint.
Paint. Where do you live?
I live in Jaipur.
Okay, now you.
How old are you?
58 years.
How much many there are family members?
8 members.
What is your favorite food?
Simple food. Hmm. सोचने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ाओ.
What
Okay.
time do you get up in the morning?
Get up at 5:30. Time is over. सबका हो गया? कोई रह गया? हो गया सबका? चलो और पूछ लो एक एक क्वेश्चन सब मेरे से. हरी अप. पूछो पूछो पूछो.
What is your favorite cloth?
क्लॉथ. टी शर्ट। यस, पूछो सब लोग, बैठे मत रहो यहाँ। पूछो एक एक क्वेश्चन सब। आर्यन, ऋत्विक, एक एक क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ पा रहे हो।
So, what is your favorite car?
कार, विच इज योर फेवरेट कार? वैगन आर। हरी अब ऋत्विक, जल्दी करो, एक एक क्वेश्चन पूछो।
सर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं?
यार समझ में नहीं आता है क्या तेरे को? तेरे को
What
समझ
is
में
your
देर
name?
से आती है क्या चीजें बेटा? यार तीन तीन बार बोलेंगे तेरे को तभी समझ में आता है क्या?
Sir, what is your name?
How many? सर मैं पूछूं?
आप पूछो। इसको तो समझ
How
में ही नहीं
many
आता क्या चल रहा है क्लास में। भगवान जाने कहाँ रहता है इसका दिमाग। बोलो रौनक।
How many children do you teach?
So many. I think there are about 30 students. Yes, Aditya.
How do you go to market?
On foot to nearby market, and if I have to go to the other markets that are not near to me, then I take my bike. Yes, ऋत्विक पूछ लो। बहुत सुस्त आदमी हो यार, पता नहीं क्या सोचते रहते हो यार।
Sir, what is your favorite place in Jaipur?
My house. Okay. बोलो बोलो और पूछो। पूछो, शर्माते हो।
How do you go to your to the other cities?
By my car. पूछो पूछो पूछो, काजल पूछो।
Sir, what is your favorite place?
प्लेस बता दिया ना कई बार तो यार, बार बार क्या पूछना उसको। 4-5 बार तो बता दिया मैंने। थोड़ा सा ऐसे क्वेश्चन
When
पूछो
your
जो
birthday
रिपीट नहीं हो।
falls?
इन अगस्त, इन अगस्त on 28th.
Sir.
यस यस।
What is your daughter name?
गति, GATI, गति।
Sir, in which year?
सॉरी,
Sir, in which year your birthday falls?
अच्छा नाम है।
एवरी ईयर यार।
सर लेकिन आपका जन्म कब हुआ था?
तो फॉल्स पूछ रहे हो आप तो। 1968।
सर
यस, एक्टिव रहो थोड़ा सा, बोलो।
Do you drink milk in night?
यस, बोलो बोलो बोलो। आर्यन पूछो कुछ, एक्टिव रहो थोड़ा सा। हाँ?
So, which phone do you like?
I have Samsung.
So, which series?
So I think S7 है कौन सा है, I don't know यार. It has become too much old. I think it has been 10 or 12 years old. Galaxy 7 है, I don't know which year, but it is like that. Yes, hurry up, next question. हाँ बोलो बोलो।
In which room do you sleep?
Sorry,
In which room do you sleep?
in which room? In a big room. In hall, I sleep in the hall of my house. हरी up, पूछते रहो अभी।
Why do you wash your hands?
For cleanliness. पूछो।
Do you take all classes?
Yes. पूछो बेटा पूछो। पूछो बेटा।
Why do you teach English?
Because I think I can teach it. पूछो फटाफट पूछो, चालू रहो।
Which is Sir,
हाँ बोलो बेटा बोलो।
which school do you study in?
I studied in government school.
Why do you want children?
Sorry,
Why do you want children?
want?
Why do you want children?
हिंदी बोलो.
आप बच्चों को चेतावनी क्यों देते हो?
For their better future. Hurry up, hurry up. आर्यन, ऋत्विक, आदित्य, काजल, क्वेश्चन पूछते रहो.
Sir, when do you wake up?
At 5:30 in the morning. पूछते दिमाग चलाते रहो अपना, पूछते रहो आप.
Sir,
Why do not teach?
Sorry,
Why do not teach in
When do
offline?
you sleep?
sorry, काजल, रिपीट करो.
Sir, when do you sleep?
Why do not teach?
दोबारा बोलो, तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है. हाँ, तुम मत बोलो कोई भी, काजल को बोलने दो. हाँ,
Why do not teach offline?
why don't you teach offline? Because offline I can't teach students from everywhere, but here in online I can teach students from everywhere. Like Ritvik is here from Bhopal, MP. You are from Durgapura. Khushi is yes. Ronak is from Tarunki Kot, and ये Aditya is from Vidyadhar Nagar. So this is not possible through offline classes. Okay, next question, hurry up.
Where do you work?
I work at my home.
Sir,
हाँ,
what Rajesh sir use mobile?
हिंदी बोलो.
क्या राजेश सर मोबाइल देखते हैं?
Does Rajesh sir watch mobile? What क्यों आएगा? Yes, he watches mobile. आर्यन जल्दी करो, पूछो.
sir, where do you go work?
जवाहर सर्किल.
Sir, what is
Do you
favorite place in Rajasthan?
सॉरी, आर्यन दोबारा बोलो.
Sir, what is your favorite place in Rajasthan?
उदयपुर. हरी अप, हरी अप.
Does Rajesh sir cook food?
Does Rajesh sir cook food? No.
do you help poor people?
Yes, I try to do so.
Does Rajesh sir sing song?
Sir,
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
sir,
हाँ,
sir, why do you like Udaipur?
because Udaipur is a very nice city, very beautiful city, and it is the city of Maharana Pratap. Yes. हाँ.
Does father drive car?
Sorry.
Does father drive car?
Does your father drive car? किसके पिताजी की बात कर रहे हो? हमें क्या पता? No, my father does not drive car. हाँ. हरी अप, हरी अप.
How many members do you lead?
8 members.
Does Rajesh sir
Where do you
sing
sleep?
song?
अरे राजेश सर क्यों बोल रहा है? तू यो क्यों नहीं बोल सकता तू? डायरेक्ट जब
Does
मेरे
you
से
sing
बात कर
song?
रहा है तो मेरे को यू बोलना. तू राजेश सर का मतलब क्या हो गया? किसी थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में पूछ रहा है? हाँ, बोलो बोलो फटाफट.
Where do you sleep?
At my home.
How long do you sleep?
Sorry,
How long do you sleep?
about 6 hours. Okay, time is over. Thank you very much. ठीक है.